There are many ways that you can be getting money back on your taxes. The first method to use in order to get money back on your taxes is, if you haven't already, you need to open a first home savings account, a tax-free savings account, or a retirement savings account. In each of these accounts, they have a maximum contribution that you can put in a year. For this account, it's a maximum $7,000 that you can put in 1 year. Just make sure you don't exceed this contribution limit. If not, you're going to get taxed after the limit has been reached. What that means is whenever you get an income and you put it in this account, you will not get taxed for it. What it simply means is that if you're making an annual income of $100,000, and on each of these accounts, you're contributing $7,000 on each of these accounts, you'll be getting a tax return on your contributions. Once you do your tax filing and you declare that, okay, you had this amount, let's say you put in $7,000 in each of these accounts and you declare them in your tax filing, you automatically get refunded those amounts you were taxed throughout the year. The second way I save on my taxes to help me spend less on taxes is to claim any medical expenses I made throughout the year. So for instance, it basically just means any urgent medical expense, such as dental expense, like if you had a dental procedure that you urgently needed to do and you had to pay out of pocket, you can claim that during your tax filing. Other medical expenses such as vision care, physiotherapists, or any urgent care that you had to pay out of pocket, you can literally, as long as you have the receipt, you can just submit the receipt during your tax filing and you'll get a tax refund on those out-of-pocket expenses. And what you can get back on medical expense varies from province to province. I live in Ontario, but you can definitely check the province you reside in to see what is covered under medical expense. Also, you could claim work expense even if you work remote. Yes, even if you work fully remote, you can claim work expenses. You can also claim charitable donations. So if you made charity donations, you can also submit that during your tax filing. Just make sure you have your receipt, submit that, and you can get tax refund on that. And if you're someone that has student loans, you can also claim interest on your student loans. As usual, keep your receipts and submit those, and you can also get the money back on those interests you paid on your student loans. Throughout the year, I note down all these expenses that I listed earlier that I intend to submit during my tax filing. Make sure to save all my receipts to help me in my tax filing. I hope this helps. Let me know if you want more information or if you have any questions on what I talked about today.